So I'm just fresh out of the gondola here at the Skyline Queenstown up there. And as I was walking by here, I just saw the indoor skydiving place. So I decided to go. I've never tried it before. So when in Rome or when in Queenstown, you gotta do some adventures. So let's go, let's try. There's free viewing here to take a look. So I'm gonna get a friend to make a video. I'm gonna go inside. It's $99 for 2-minute sessions. So you go 1 minute and then you take a break and you go 1 minute again. Or you can pay $150, which that's what I'm gonna do, and do it for 4 minutes. So that's a much better deal. Not just $50 more, and you can do 4 minutes, double the time. So let's go inside. Dressed up here and ready to go at any minute. It's gonna be a lot of fun. This is it. Time to go. Guys, I'm living here now, the skydive, the indoor skydive, and I had such an amazing experience. Actually, when you jump off of a plane, you have a 45-second free fall. So I did 5 minutes. So it was just like having 6 jumps from an airplane. It was so amazing. The guy said I did really well as well. I think because I watched so many videos, but my back and my neck is killing me a little bit. 5 minutes is a long time, but I did 2 minutes and then 1.5 and 1.5. So I had a little break. The instructor was telling me like how to improve in the next time that I went in. And my God, such an amazing experience. It felt like a workout though. I'm all warmed up and ready. So great experience. Highly recommend if you've never done it. It's fun, it's safe. Just go do it. It's awesome. All right, let's get going now. So driving here in downtown Queenstown after have a great experience in a gondola, the Skyline Gondola here of Queenstown, and also after that doing the indoor skydiving here as well, which was an incredible experience. I've never done it before and it was worth it. So I did 5 minutes, which is a lot of time. And I'm driving here by Fergsburger. Of course, it's impossible to find a parking spot here, especially today, which is Mondays about 1 o'clock. Everyone from the city is here to get something to eat in downtown. So Fergsburger is super busy. So I'm gonna go around and perhaps I find parking near Devil Burger. So Devil Burger is just as good. So if I find a parking spot around that area, that's where I'm gonna eat. So I'm driving here, doing a loop downtown here, and then back to the hotel, pack the bags quickly, and then be on my way to Dunedin. It's raining here. It's raining also in Dunedin. However, in Dunedin will be 5 degrees warmer than here. I think it will be around 8 or 9 degrees there. So warmer than Queenstown, and it will be nice to go check out Dunedin, as it's a nice city with some old, very old architecture. It is also a college city, a university city. Lots of students there because of the university. So it will be nice to walk around, stay there for the night, get something to eat, and go sightseeing a little bit if the weather allows. One last look here at the house. Time to leave now and hit the road on the way to Dunedin. All right, guys, leaving now the house here in Queenstown and going to Dunedin. The GPS, as you can see here, it says it would take 3 hours and 25 minutes. We're gonna get there just a few minutes before 6 p.m. and it's 282 kilometers. So let's hit the road.